Good morning, Petri. I am so happy to meet you again in our science class. I hope you well and have eaten your breakfast. Now we want to study from chapter 3, Changes in Nature, page 52. Okay. Before we continue to the next pages, I want you to see the picture here. What kind of activity do you see in the picture? Now I want you to mention what the solid, liquid, and gas in the picture. Okay, Sir Hasron will lead you. Oh, I see here there is solid is sand. Okay, sand is solid. Rocks, there is rock here. Rock is solid. And then seashells, okay, is solid. And then I see plastic bucket. Oh, this is solid also. And then I see spades. The girl holds spades. And then cloth that used by men and girl here. And then digger toy. Where is digger toy? This is also solid. And then brick or wooden house. Oh, this is also solid. So many solid things here. And then plants. There is tree. There is coconut tree. And then anything else? Oh, I think okay, we have found so many solid the head that they use. Okay, now let's go to the liquid. Do you know what the liquid material here? Oh, seawater is liquid because they can flow. And then I see here rain. It is raining here, so rain is also liquid because they flow. And then okay, that's enough. And then gas here is the air around this area. And then water vapor. Okay, so we have mentioned example of solid, liquid, and gas here. Okay, now I want to ask you which point you can see that the water changing from one form to another's. Wow, this one, water. Okay, water from the sea changing into the water vapor and then become rain. We will learn about the water cycle. So this is the changing of material from the liquid become gas and finally become rain. Okay, so in the primary 2 you have learned about matter. Matter is everything that occupies space and have mass. Okay, matter exists as solid, as liquid, and gas. Okay, sir will explain to you characteristic of solid, liquid, and gas and how the solid, liquid, and gas can change. Okay, and we will learn reversible and irreversible change. The change that can be back and the change that cannot back to its original. Thank you.